Example 1. Calculate acceleration of the blocks and tension in the connecting string. So when we look at the diagram, M2 is moving down the inclination with an acceleration A and M1 is going up the inclination with an acceleration A. So for block M1, its own weight is acting downward, which is M1G. Therefore, the component of its weight along the inclination will be M1G sine alpha. And for block 2, again its own weight is acting downward, which is M2G. And the component of its weight along the inclination will be M2G sine beta. Since for block 1 it is moving upward direction, therefore tension is greater than M1G sine alpha. So for block 1, tension minus M1G sine alpha will be written as M1A. For block 2, M2G sine beta is greater than tension, therefore M2G sine beta minus tension is equal to M2A. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, minus tension and plus tension get cancelled. So what we get here? M2G sine beta minus M1G sine alpha is equal to M1A plus M2A. Since we required acceleration, so acceleration can be written as M2 sine beta minus M1 sine alpha into G by M1 plus M2. So we calculated acceleration. We also need to calculate tension. So let us substitute acceleration value in equation 1. So equation 1 is tension minus M1G sine alpha is equal to M1A. So tension minus M1G sine alpha is equal to M1 into A is M2G sine beta minus M1G sine alpha by M1 plus M2. So let us simplify this. So tension is equal to M1 M2G sine beta minus M1 square G sine alpha by M1 plus M2 plus M1G sine alpha. So if we take M1 plus M2 as LCM, so what we get? M1 M2G sine beta minus M1 square G sine alpha plus M1 square G sine alpha plus M1 M2G sine alpha divided by M1 plus M2. Here plus M1 square G sine alpha minus M1 square G sine alpha get cancelled. So finally what we get, tension is equal to M1 M2 sine beta plus M1 M2 sine alpha into G by M1 plus M2, or in a simplest manner we can write sine beta plus sine alpha into m1 m2 g by m1 plus m2. So this is the tension in the string.